Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today is my birthday and I am going on a trip to Mexico with some friends. It's gonna be a fun girls trip as we celebrate my golden year 29 on the 29th. So I can't wait to show you guys the trip and just have so much fun in Mexico. So I'm super sad that I will be leaving my little one. I'm still not used to traveling without Ryan. Oh, hey, love you. He's camera shy, I guess. All right, after looking for parking for hours, we are finally headed into the airport. Barely made it. Literally barely made it, but priority member. We're here. Already booked. Boarded, we're ready to go. Waiting on Markayla somewhere over there. There she goes, right over there. On the plane. We've got about 2.5 hours and then we're gonna be in Mexico. Hey guys, we're in Mexico. So made it. Next stop is the resort and we're gonna get this party started. And now we're waiting for, I was gonna say Jackie. Now we're waiting for Bree, Raina, and Sierra to arrive. Right, we have arrived. How cute! Can I get one? Thank you. Right. Walking down the hall. Okay, outside. Let's see what the room looks like. Ooh, look at that, y'all.
Oh, there's a key.
And the last thing I need is someone trying to climb over this thing and jump down and drown.
Jungle. It was nothing but trees. And there were like bugs and shit. I think that's really neat.
Don't worry about no alcohol.
Literally.
Got it in your room. I'm not sure. No, we'll go over there and shot it. Food. Shot.
Thursday night football. Okay, y'all, my best friend is here. It is her birthday too. She's checking in. And then here's Bree. She arrived. So we're just waiting on Raina to arrive, but everybody else is right here.
That's what they're saying.
My sister's here.
Is this for TikTok?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. All right, that's where we go.
Shots for everybody. Woo! Y'all, someone is literally asking his lady to propose. Or not to propose, he asked his lady to marry him. Wow. Wow. Okay guys, we are now dressed. Some of the girls are here. And we're about to head to Taboo now to go eat dinner and turn up for the night. So super excited for that. Bye. So this is Sierra's look. Loving the mint.
Love this color in your skin tone.
Got Jackie, you know she loves a good black look. Raina and Bree. And then me. Good morning. How'd you sleep last night?
We're pretty good.
I heard you wake up in the middle of the night.
I woke up at 6 to pee because it's my routine for school. It's a weekday.
All right. All right, you guys. So we are up. This is day 2. Had a little breakfast. We're gonna get the day started. millennials, always on their phones. Markayla's missing. She was in bed while we all went to go get breakfast. So the hotel sent me this super cute tequila bottle and this card wishing me a happy birthday. Thank you. Hey, so we're about to go downstairs, go to the pool. Okay. Yay. All right, cheers. Cheers. We're at the swim up bar. I was like, where's Miranda? I couldn't find any pickles, so I'm just gonna have onion, lettuce, and tomato. Yummy. More shots. Say hi! What up? Yeah!
What's the vlog called?
It's really hers over there, so we don't know. Rachel! What's the vlog called?
Happy
Okay.
birthday, Rachel.
Yeah!
Go get it, sis.
Look at all the birds. Ah, all the birds, look at Raina. How cute is this? Wow, look at your thing blowing in the wind. That's cute. All right, you guys, so after the pool, we all needed to take some much needed rest. So now a lot of us are kind of rejuvenated, and now we're gonna have dinner at this place called, what's it called, Sierra? Benicia. We're gonna eat at the Benicia, which is over here. And so we've got a 35-minute wait, so we're waiting on the girls to get ready and come down, and we'll continue our night. Good morning. It is day 3. Hanging on by a thread. We're headed to the excursion and oh, look at that door spinning fast. Headed to the excursion today. Super excited about that. Here's our bus. All to ourselves. after a 2-hour ride in the van, we have made it to our destination. We've been brushing up on our Espanol while we're here. That way we can speak to our driver. Hey guys, so we just finished doing our dolphin excursion and it was super fun. Me, Jackie, and Bree got some pictures, and now we're gonna have lunch, and it better be all inclusive because the guy at our hotel said it was all inclusive. So we're about to figure that out and see how that does. Raina is dying because all these birds keep coming around, but the views are super cute.
This morning I couldn't do my room. Oh no.
It's just a lounge.
Just chill. Yeah.
I like snow tubing. There it is. Snow tubing?
Snow tubing is fast. All right, ladies, we just accomplished a mega slide way up there.
In the jungle, in the jungle.
It was hard, very hard, but we made it.
Can we do a pit too?
Yeah.
Like scoot up the rope and hang.
Okay. Yeah.
Ready.
Okay. Rachel.
Oh. Nice. This is so nice. You can do a nice doggy paddle. There's some little ledges and stuff over there. Our jackets are moving. Do this job. Good job, guys. You're doing great.
Get me.
Get you. Where? I got it. Be careful. Sorry, Sarah. I'm making that for you. Hey.
Alright, we're going in the cave.
You're good. I'm just trying not to hit the rock.
There's a rock right there.
There's a rock. Okay. To the right?
Ew, it smells like ass.
Are you standing up? Oh. There's a rock right here. There's one right here. Are you standing?
Dang, that's where Raina needs to be at.
There's a rock right there. I need to stand. Stand right here. No, they're everywhere.
Oh
I'm
god.
trying to stand up, but I can't.
Thank god.
I can't stand. And I'm hot there. Oh.
Come this way.
I'm getting.
Because I asked you to.
Avísame. ¿Ya? David, hay más cosas, por favor, tírate por otra cosa. Me quiero ir.
Ahí vamos para abajo, ya no encontrarás.
Tírate por esa, que no te has tirado.
Venga, por ver.
Now y'all all rocking.
Ya no podemos subir ya. Esta que tiene de abajo y no tiene de vuelta como es. Tomás, cuando tomas una foto, te vas a salir.
Ayúdame a subir a la cámara esa.
Bueno, ¿no te puedes tirar en esta que es la misma? No te
En esa no habéis tirado.
Aquí también hay, no te puedes tirar.
I'm dead.
No los pierdes, ¿verdad?
Gracias. Beto, debiste haberme dicho que me moviera porque me puedes pegar. Si me sigues quedando, vamos, Beto. Cariño, toma.
La gafa, tendrás que dar, no te puedes tirar. ¿Qué?
¿Dónde estás, David? ¿Qué? ¿Ya no? No, si me quiero hacerlo de nuevo, me caí.
Yo te cabeza en la tierra, ¿eh?
¿No pudiste? No. ¿Te cansaste? Sí, me dolían mis manos. Ay,
Próxima vez venimos solos.
vamos, inténtalo. Ay, no.
So for the rest of my time on this rope, I tried to get across without falling. I ended up just jumping off because I did not want to keep going because it would have been a long swim back. And I honestly didn't record any other footage from this trip. It was definitely a great trip for reflection, lots of good experiences that took place and a lot of learning lessons. Needless to say, I enjoyed the girls' trip overall. I'm looking forward to traveling with loved ones to come in the future, and I am so excited that God has blessed me to see another year, 29 on the 29th. So I thank you guys so much for watching this Mexico travel vlog for my golden year, and I will see you guys in my next travel video. Bye.
I don't know. That's gonna be a long swim back. Turn around and come back this way.
¿Qué pudiste? Se acabaron de 10 días.